As you guys can probably tell, I'm a bodybuilder. I know it's super obvious. I like to do this for 30 minutes every morning, no matter what. Sorry about that. You guys are getting 6 a.m. Griffin. I'm not fully awake yet. Today, we are going to Godzilla's car meet, baby. The Godzilla meet. A bunch of R33s should be there. Hopefully some R34s, R32s. The whole lot's gonna be there, dude. It's gonna be absolutely sick. Sheesh, sheesh. Looking better than ever, boy. Come on now in that 6 a.m. light. Let's go. Sequentials, ready? Ready for this? Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wheels looking clean, fitment looking good. Let's go. 6 a.m. cold start, baby. Let's go. Don't die. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. We're good. Beefy, baby. That's beefy for a 1.6. All right, we got a full tank of ethanol. I'm so freaking pumped for this meet. I just washed my car. It's looking good, and I don't know what to expect, but it's gonna be a sick day, dude. Alright boys, we're over here at Garage Collective's garage, but I just want to acknowledge how good this thing looks in the light. Now that it's got the wheels on and it's lowered, it just completely changed the whole entire car completely. So I hope you guys can appreciate that. You guys said in the polls that I've been putting out that you want more of the ST build. So that's what I've been doing, and it looks great. I'm happy that I did it. Guys, this is Grayson. He is one of the owners of Garage Collective, this beautiful space and most of these cars. The other owner's on the way, but this is who I've been working with and hanging out with. So I'm gonna link their channel down below in the description if you guys wanna follow them. I'm their film guy, so if you wanna support me as well, go support them. It helps us both out. Oh, he's got the dog with him and everything, dude.
Garage Collective, baby.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Woo! Dang, you got a nice cam in there. That sounds like it's cammed. All right, boys, we got the wheels all shined up, but it's not really gonna matter because we're gonna get absolutely outshined by every single car there pretty much. We're going to a Godzilla meet, like I was saying. So R34s, R33s, R32s, everything in between. It's gonna be insane. So I'm gonna finish shining these up. I'm gonna head over to the owners of Garage Collective, and I will see you guys when I get there. There's gonna be some crazy shit. All right, we are heading out to the meet right now. Got myself a little corner spot in the garage. I'm gonna leave it here for this one. Damn, does it look good. Cheese, brother! So they're taking the R33 over there, and I'm taking this Bronco. I'm gonna film them from here. I'm just stoked to hear how that thing sounds from the outside. I have no idea. I'm in for a surprise, I'm sure. And I got the dog with me. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Ready to go to a Godzilla meet? Okay. All right, guys, we made it to the meet. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars. Sorry, it's so freaking loud. I didn't get to bring my car, unfortunately, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. I don't think my car would fit in here very well anyways. I mean, when I show you some of the stuff that's here, you'll see what I mean. Obviously, a ton of R33s and R32s. These things are just absolutely ridiculous. Big old Borg Warner. Then we've got Josh's from Garage Collective's R32. Crazy NSX, just looking absolutely unreal. I need that one day. You guys might recognize this one. This is the one we did a review on a couple weeks ago. This thing was unreal. So next year we'll get a hold of him when I can find him, but you guys remember that, it was unreal. Massive wide body. Oh, that thing looks sick. Damn, look at the inside of this thing. What the hell? That's insane. Also, I got a coffee, and I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna be absolutely maxed out on energy levels pretty soon here. Let me show you guys this wide body GTR. This thing's fucking unreal. Oh my God, dude, that is insane. Look how tucked that thing is. Oh my God, holy shit. This thing's just absolutely on the ground. This no longer looks like a GTR. This is insane. Look how wide this thing is. Holy cow, dude, look at the wing. Duck bill to the max. Another wide body GTR. This is, look at the chassis mounted wing, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm telling you boys, we need a GTR for the channel. Also, my last video that I just posted went live and I'm replying to all your guys' comments right now. I appreciate all the support. Prefer Monte, because why not? Thing's unreal. I want to try and get a ride in this at some point. Another clean 280. All right, boys, sorry that last clip cut like really short, but it's been a couple days and all of a sudden I started feeling a little bit silly willy-nilly, dude, and I got the itch to go grab some seats. So right now I have someone coming up from San Diego to go and show me some of these seats. They're NRG Primos or something like that. I'm not even totally sure what they are, but your boy's feeling itchy, dude, and when he is itchy and he doesn't get aspirin, bad things happen. So let's check these things out. All right, boys, he says he's close. Let's go check these things out. I'm really pumped. I'm hoping they're not too bolstered because otherwise long drives obviously get super uncomfortable and we don't want that. But if I get these for a good price, I'm definitely taking them, like 100%. Also, originally I was only searching for one and I'm about to grab two of them. So it's more than I was gonna spend. But like I said, if I can get a good deal for two of them instead of just one, I'll do it. For the boys, baby. How's it going, man? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for coming down. Let me see these things. Oh, so they're like still in the box, like pretty much, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need help? Here. Jeez, okay, cool.
You can put it right here, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
The color's
nice.
very bright.
Too bright.
Here, let me turn it around here so it doesn't fall over. Let me just sit in real quick, because I'm curious to see how the bolstering is on these things.
Hey, how you doing?
Whew.
Building a race car?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. What kind of race car?
Is that Fiesta up there?
Jeez.
Yeah, it's a whole thing, but it's lacking seats.
Yeah, it's a lot of air to push through that motor. Huh?
It is, yeah. It's a 1.6, so it's
1.6.
yeah.
What do you think you're going to get out of horsepower?
Probably around 400 wheel. Yeah.
400 to the wheel.
It's at the end of it, yeah. 400 wheel.
Yeah,
that's the goal.
That's about 450 out of the motor then.
Yeah, yeah, and not without building it either. It's my second one. The last one was full bolt-on E85, which is where I'm at now. So it's gonna be ridiculous.
Have fun.
Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Originally, I was only looking for one. I messaged you on two different ones. You saw?
That's good.
Yeah.
Still by pair.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll do. I mean, I can do. I'm not gonna pay more than that.
That's fine.
You do 100?
I do 100.
Okay. And cool. Deal, man.
Thank you
Sweet.
so much.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Sweet.
My website is called El Cano Rims and Tires on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have a lot of people follow me there. Have like around 7,300 likes on it.
Oh wow. Okay. Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. Trying to carry this fat box up the street and it's impossible, but we got ourselves a deal, boys. Oh my god. This thing is so heavy. It's a lot lighter than the seats I have in my car now, though. I look like a crazy person. This is so heavy. Oh, oh yeah. Hell yeah, boy. Ah. Whew. What's good, baby? All right, these things look sick. I'm actually really stoked. I kind of want them a different color, but that's okay. I'm gonna get back to you guys tomorrow and we're gonna try and install these, I think. I'm in the random parking lot to get a thumbnail right now, so I figured I'd show you the seats a little bit more because it's in my car. Damn, boy. Oh, dude, these look so sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, so now that we got some better light, NRG seats, these are the Prismas, I'm pretty sure is what they're called. So they're pretty buckety, dude. Like they are quite buckety, which I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not. Like it feels good when I sit in it, but like long trips, which I don't really take that many, but sometimes I do go up to LA. Like I'm not really sure how that's gonna work, but is what it is. The backs look really nice. Still have the wrappers on, they're like brand new, so I haven't even taken those off yet. Yeah, this is definitely weird. I don't know, like right now they feel super, super comfortable. Like I don't feel like this would be bad on a long trip at all. But like, it feels like it should be uncomfortable, but it's not. Like this feels really, really solid. I like how it hugs me and it's like super stable, obviously. So yeah, these are the new seats. These are gonna go in hopefully pretty soon. I just ordered some brackets for them, like some mounting brackets. So hopefully they get here like very soon, but I wouldn't be surprised if it took like a week. Also, I don't really want to spoil it, but I think your boy is doing a half cage. Ooh. So yeah, the ST's looking pretty set up right now, if I'm being honest. Like, we got the seats, we got the wheels, it's lowered. Half cage might be going in, big turbo coming soon. Like, it's pretty set, dude. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any experience with aftermarket seats in your Fiestas or Focuses or RSs, because I just want to know. I mean, I honestly feel like I don't see a lot of people doing this for some reason, and it's kind of worrying me why I'm one of the only ones, but your boy's a trendsetter, baby. It is what it is. So I'm gonna let you know when we're gonna install these. Hopefully it should be like within a week or so, but I'm just like super pumped. I'm gonna get a harness bar, some harnesses. So yeah, dude, boys, I'm gonna have to catch you on the next one. Peace.